Hello guys, let's solve a weekly contest 402 question number 2 now. I have already posted the solution for question number 1. So in question 2 we have to count pairs that form a complete day 2. Okay, second level. So here we have given an integer array hours representing times in hours, and we have to return the integer denoting the number of pairs I and j, where I is less than j and hours of I plus hours of j forms a complete day. And complete day is defined as the time duration that is exact multiple of 24 hours. That is 24 into 1 is 24 hours, 24 into 2 is 48 hours, 24 into 3 is 72 hours. Okay, and so on. So these are the example ones. So here see 12 plus 12 is 24, and 24 is completely divisible by 24. So this is one pair, and this 24 into 24, 24 plus 24 is 48, and 48 is completely divisible by 24. So the modulus of these two is 0. So that is why there are total 2 pairs. Okay, so that is why my output is 2. Same way in this case, see this 72 plus 48, 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index. Okay, 0 plus 1 is completely divisible by 24. So this is one pair. 0 and 2, 72 plus 24 is also completely divisible by 24, and 1 and 2, that is 48 plus 24 is also completely divisible by 24. Okay, so they are total 3 pairs. But right now the constants are very large. Okay, so we can't solve the same method that we have used in the question number 2. Okay, so now let's see. So let's suppose this is an hours array given to us. Okay, and these are the values. Okay, so first tell me, we are dividing the numbers by 24, right? So if a number is 1 and if I divide it by 24, then definitely the remainder that I'm going to get is 1, right? If the number okay, so see here, if the number is 1 and I divide it by 24, then the remainder that I'm getting is 1. Okay, and if my number is 23, and I divide it by 24, then the remainder that I am going to get is 23, right? So here one thing is clear, that we are going to get the remainders from 0 to till 23, right? Okay, if my number is 24 and I divide it by 24, then I am getting a remainder as 0, right? So one thing is clear, that we are going to get the remainders from 0 to 23. Okay, so here first we are going to calculate the remainders and their frequencies. Okay, so if I divide number 1 with 24, then I am going to get the remainder as 1. If I divide, so here I have updated the frequencies. Okay, so initially I have set all the frequencies from 0 to 23. Okay, all the frequencies is to 0. Okay, so here I have found that if I divide this number 1 with my 24, then I'm getting a remainder as 1. So here I am updated the frequency of this one. If I divide the number 23 with 24, then I am going to get the remainder as 23. So here I updated the frequency of 23 as 1. Okay, this is done. Here I divide the number 12 with 24, I get the remainder as 12. So here I have updated the frequency of this 12. Okay, so 12 is occurring 2 times, I am getting the remainder 12 2 times. So here this becomes 2. Here 1 is occurring 2 times, so here see I updated it to 2. Here 24 modulus 24 is 0, so here I updated the frequency of 0, 1, and 25 if I divide it with 24, then I am getting the remainder as 1. So here I have updated this frequency. Okay, so in the end this is going to be the frequency of all the remainders. Okay, so see 3, okay, 1 is occurring 3 times. Okay, we are seeing 1 remainder 3 times. Okay, that is why the frequency of this is set to 3. Okay, 23 is occurring 1 time, so here see this is 1 time. 12 is occurring 2 times, so see 12 is occurring 2 times here. Okay, and 0 is occurring 1 time, so here this is the frequency set to 1. Okay, this is done. Then after that we have to calculate the pairs. Okay, so how we are going to calculate the pairs in maths? So okay, there is one simple formula to calculate the pairs, that is nothing but n into n minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, this is going to give me the number of pairs. Okay, this is simple mathematical formula. Okay, so here remainder 0 first, so there is only one element with the remainder 0 here. Okay, there is only one element with the remainder 0. Okay, so no pairs can be formed. Okay, so with this no pairs can be formed, so that is right. So see here 24. Okay, so with this 24, can I add anything else and which is going to give me the remainder as 0? So no, I can't form anything else. Okay, so if there are total 2 24s, then definitely there is going to be one pair. but right now there is no pair. Okay, there is only one element with remainder 0, so no pair can be formed. Okay, and with remainder 12, okay, so remainder 12 is occurring 2 times. There are 2 elements with remainder 12, so number of pairs is nothing but n into n minus 1 divided by 2, that is 1. Okay, so that's why there is one pair. So if I perform the addition of this 12 plus 12 is nothing but 24, and 24 modulus 24 is 0. Okay, so there is one pair. Okay, and other remainders, 4 remainders 1 to 23. Okay, 1 to 23. So let's see how many pairs that we are going to make. Okay, so here see, this is remainder 1, this is remainder 1, and this is remainder 1. Okay, total 3, and total 3 ones are there. And if I make the pairing of these remainders with this 23, right, with this 23, then I am going to get the total 3 pairs, right? So see here, one pairing is this 1 20 plus 23, 1 plus 23, this is one pair, this is second pair 1 plus 23. Okay, and if I do the pairing of this one 25 plus 23, then also there is going to be one more pair, right? 25 plus 23 is nothing but 48. Okay, so 4 remainders 1 and 23, there are total 3 pairs. 3 into 1 is equal to 3, and 2 to 11, if you see 2 to 11, there are no frequency, all have frequency 0, so no additional pairs. So we have, in the end we have to just summing up all the pairs. Okay, so total result is going to 24. Okay, so this is the code for this one. So this is my remainder frequency array. Here I am calculating the frequencies. Okay, how many times the particular remainder exists, right? This is done. Then after that I set the count variable to 0, and in the count I am counting here the remainder 0, how many times remainder 0 is there. Okay, so remain n into n minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, this is done. Then for 1 to 11, okay, I am counting the frequencies. Okay, remainder 11, okay, this index 1 into 24 minus 1. Okay, so because I am going to make the pairing like this now, 1 with 23. Okay, this is the one possible output. Then if my I is 2, then I am checking how many times my 22 is there. Okay, if my I is 3, then I am checking how many times my 21 is there. Okay, only in that case I can form one pair, and only in that case I have to increment my count. Okay, so this in this way we can go until 11. Okay, if it is 11, then here 24 minus 11 is nothing but 13. Okay, 11 and 13. Okay, so this from here 1 to 23, 11, 13. Okay, so now we are left with 12. So in the end I am calculating for 12 separately. Okay, and in the end I am going to return count. Okay, so this submission is also accepted. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear with question number 2. Okay, so please like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe my YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you. Bye bye.